Hey hikers, my name is Kat and I'm your Los Angeles hiking guide. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get to Escondido Falls in Malibu, California. The hike is 4.2 miles round trip, it's over 800 feet in elevation gain, and it takes about 2 hours to complete. There are 2 waterfalls in this hike. Getting to the first one, which is the lower one, is fairly easy. You're going to be walking through a neighborhood, then through the canyon for what feels more like a nature walk. Now getting to the upper waterfall is a little more challenging. It's steep and there's a lot of loose dirt and gravel, but I'll show you exactly how that part of the trail looks like, and be sure to stay until the end for frequently asked questions and tips. There is free street parking on Pacific Coast Highway, but always make sure to read any parking signs. There's also a small parking lot on Winding Way, but it is $12 to park here. You're going to continue hiking up through the neighborhood on Winding Way, and there will be trail signs along the way to help you stay on track. Today I'll be hiking with On Trail With, a page I follow on Instagram in case anyone's looking to join a local friendly hiking group. Once you gain some elevation, you'll have some nice views of the ocean. About 15 minutes into your hike, you're going to come to the top of the hill where it kind of looks like a dead end, but the trail continues down the hill on a single lane road. A little bit after that, you'll come to the Edward Albert Escondido Canyon Trail and Waterfall sign, and the trail continues behind it. It's going to be a bit of a downhill, and then the trail is going to continue through the canyon. At the bottom of the hill, you're going to make a hard left to continue going up the canyon. You're going to cross the creek a few times here, but nothing too difficult, and this part felt more like a nature walk, something to definitely not rush through. You're going to come across a T-junction. You're going to make a left to continue going up the canyon. About 45 minutes into the hike, we reached that first lower waterfall, and it was 1.8 miles to get here. After you're done enjoying the lower falls and taking pictures, you can either go back the same way you came up from, or you can attempt to hike to the upper falls. To get to the upper falls is about 1/3 of a mile, but it is a bit of a challenge. It's steep and there's a lot of loose dirt and gravel, so hike to the upper falls at your own risk. There was a rope to help us up with our pool, but even with that, I found myself sliding down a few times. This one part was even more of a challenge. We had to go over a boulder. Luckily, one of our teammates was there to give us a hand. About 20 minutes from the first waterfall, and of course with my teammates' help and encouragement, I was able to make it to the upper falls. And there's the rest of the group making their way up.
They're moving.
And now for tips and frequently asked questions. With this hike, just like with any other hike, please make sure to pick up after yourself and leave the trail cleaner than how you found it. Dogs are welcome but must be kept on a leash. On the way back down from the upper falls, you'll be able to see the ocean, so be sure to take a moment to enjoy those views. Also, when you're going back down through the residential area, you'll have wider ocean views. And that little island right there is Catalina Island, which is part of LA County, in case anyone was wondering. The best time to hike this is after the rain, when the waterfalls are at their peak. And if you still want to hike in Malibu, but worry these waterfalls might be dried out, check out the Topanga Lookout, also in Malibu. Or you can also check out the Labyrinth at Tuna Canyon Park. And if you've been on this hike and there's something I missed, be sure to write it in the comment section for others to see. And that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at HikerOnATrail.